Living their lives, we just living their lives. Parking plots, living their lives. We just living their life.
We have D.
What up?
In the building.
How we doing?
We're doing great. I'm so happy by the drone footage that you just provided, and I'm sure it'll be in this video.
Really?
Yeah, epic stuff.
Thanks.
So I just met you randomly at a cafe today.
An hour ago.
Yeah, a couple hours ago, and we were talking about drones. And anyway, she offered to come get some sick drone footage that you just saw. But you have been living on Koh Phangan for a while.
Yes.
So I haven't made my little review video yet, but I'm planning on it. I've only been here a week, staying for about another week, and I'm surprised it's taken me this long. I've done 5 years in Southeast Asia so far.
And you've never been here?
Never been here.
This place on the planet.
Yeah.
It's a good place, guys.
So,
it's a good place.
Yeah, so I'll kind of tell you what I think so far, and then you can expand. So my kind of quick review is it's still got like small time vibe, of course. There's no airport on this island.
Yeah.
It's a big remote worker / digital nomad hotspot. There's a couple co-working spaces, good organic restaurants, good amount of international restaurants, big yogi crowd. It's kind of like Canggu, Bali, but maybe like 5 to 10 years ago.
Behind schedule, which is why I love this place so much, because it's not that exploited yet, but it is growing. This video is going to come out, and a lot of videos are coming out, and
it's still on the up and up. So I guess what does Koh Phangan mean to you, and why have you stayed here so much, and what's kind of your what do you tell people about this place?
No, this is really home. This is what it is. It's just I found a piece of home, and especially being a nomad, it's quite interesting to just like leave your home back home and then say I'm gonna be homeless.
So is this your first destination away from home?
Yeah, the first I'm like, this is my home.
First second home.
Yeah.
Nice.
And that's why I'm like just staying. I haven't been to Bali yet, but it's definitely on my list. But
okay. Sweet. So you're obviously a remote worker. And everything. So you're full-time working online. What is the entrepreneur / digital nomad scene like here?
It's smaller than in most places, but we do have cool co-working spaces. What's really cool about this place is the community is really small. So if you know one person, by the end of 2 days, you know everyone. So it's super, super close, which I love. Also, you know what? It's so funny because I've seen one of your videos and I didn't remember when I saw you, but at the cafe I was like, where have I seen him before? Basically, when I decided to be a minimalist, a nomad minimalist, I searched up on YouTube how to become a minimalist, a nomad, a digital nomad, and I found your video.
Which one?
How to become a digital nomad.
Really?
Yes. You were sitting. How to become a digital nomad.
I mean, I have so many videos.
What do you mean? Well, it was basically you're reviewing different places. You're reviewing like Bali, Chiang Mai, Bangkok, and then you had someone with you as well.
Chris the freelancer.
Yes. Okay. And I remember this is like 2 years ago. What I did wanted to say is that why aren't they enough digital nomads? Female digital nomads out in this space, because there's a whole community of us, but we're not seen or shown, and I really think it's super important because we do exist and we're fucking amazing.
That's
can
why
I swear in your
That's why. Yes, you can.
Fuck.
I say fuck shit, motherfucker.
Damn! Ooh, child. We vulgar up in here.
No, my channel is all about keeping it real, like totally unscripted, just like vlog behind the scenes, documenting the real shit. But that's why I got you on the channel right now. Cool. Actually, my dad, he goes, you need to interview more ladies, more digital nomad.
Prop up to dad. Yes.
Female boss girls.
Correct.
Yes.
I have a good handful of interviews with boss chicks. But you guys are out here. Cool. So like, what do you do in Koh Phangan? What do people do for fun? Like, what's the vibe? What do people do? They just do yoga all day. Like some people might just think that yoga and meditate.
Pretty much. What do you mean? Do you need anything else?
Yeah, right.
No. So we always gather at Zen Beach. So if you haven't been, you should go.
Zen Beach.
Zen Beach is like a meeting point at sunset. Everyone goes there. So the island is kind of divided into sections. So you have Hadrin, which is in the south part, where Full moon.
Yes, I did go in 2017, but just for that.
Yeah. So this is what a lot of people do. They come just for the full moon party, but they don't realize there's a whole spectrum on the island where we do different things. So on the east side, which we're on, sort of, you're on, but where I am exactly on the east side is near Zen Beach. That's the yogi, conscious community kind of people. And then we've got the north, which is where all the fancy people live. So very rich and mansions. And
interesting. Yeah. Are we in the north right now?
You're pretty much in the north. He fancy, y'all. He is fancy.
Well, we're doing a fancy couple weeks at this fancy epic villa. Yeah. But not all the time.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. So yeah, different sections, and up here, kind of in the north half, I would say, is where the expats and digital nomads are. Yeah. Which is by taxi truck. Isn't like 30 minutes from Hadrin from the full moon party beach? Yeah. Not bad. 30 minutes, like 600 baht, which is like 20 bucks. Yeah. You get a little truck taxi or songtao, and you come up here. Co-working spaces, still very hometown vibe. You can do yoga. Park saw you at Evolve Gym.
Yeah, that's where I work out. Everyone, like, it's all very close. Like I saw him at Evolve, and then we eat at the same place. Like it's just very. Close-knit family. Absolutely. Very hometown vibe. So check it out. Don't sleep on it, guys. I've been hearing about it for years. Do you know Stephen Ye by chance? I don't know. Just a good handful of Chiang Mai friends, because I did Chiang Mai for a year and a half, Bangkok year and a half, Bali like year. So I know a lot of digital nomad friends. Yeah. But don't sleep on it. Talking to myself, especially. You guys, took you a year.
Yeah. took me 5 years. Anyways, check out this view, guys. Yeah, see you in Koh Phangan, and I'm sure there'll be a link below for my full Koh Phangan video and review and blog post, and hit me up. Thanks, D. Oh yeah, by the way, she's also a YouTuber. I totally forgot.
No, I don't.
You have like what, 15K, 20, 30K on YouTube, 30K subscribers. So real quick, I checked it out, but I didn't have time to watch any videos yet. I just met you.
It's very.
What's it all about?
I make reaction videos.
You make reaction videos?
I watch shit and people watch me watch shit. That's my thing. So it's not what you're doing.
Okay, it's not a vlog. It's just reaction videos. But I'm sure you'll do some vlogs sometime.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, and she has a really cool Instagram page because she's a photographer and videographer. So check her out, YouTube and Instagram.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Peace.
Bye.
Living that life. We just living that life. Talking plies, living that life. We just living that life. You're listening to the Living That Life Digital Nomad Podcast. Hit the subscribe button on iTunes if you're a boss, and check out the YouTube channel for dope travel videos.